In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter out null values in year-over-year growth calculations in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Tableau, this guide will help you create clear and accurate visualizations by ensuring that null values do not interfere with your calculations. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to start by opening the Tableau public app. This is the first step whenever you're working within Tableau to ensure you've accessed all your projects easily. Once you're in, access your worksheet where you'll be performing your year-over-year growth calculations. It's important to have your data set ready to visualize, so make sure your workbook is properly set up. Next, you'll drag the order date field to the column shelf. This enables you to start visualizing your timeline data effectively. Then drag sales to the rows shelf to represent the sales data you are analyzing. Now we are starting to build a view that will help us understand our data over a given period. You'll notice a drop-down arrow next to the sales field in your rows section. Click on this drop-down and select Quick Table Calculation, then choose % Difference. This will allow you to start seeing how sales have changed over time, and it's the core of your year-over-year analysis. After setting up your calculations, you should change the chart type to a bar chart to make it more visually comprehensible. Bar charts are great for comparing data across different periods visually and are particularly effective when dealing with percentage differences. Moving forward, open a new sheet. Start by dragging order date to columns again, but this time change the level of detail to month. You're setting it up to view monthly data trends. Add sales to the rows once more to populate your new chart with data. To differentiate between the different data periods, drag order date to the color shelf. This adds a visual cue to easily identify which data belongs to which period. Repeat the quick table calculation on sales as before, choosing % difference. This consistency helps in comparing and analyzing your data effectively over time. Open another new sheet where you will drag order date to the columns and subcategory to the rows. This setup helps you look at sales data in more granular detail. Then drag sales to the text to integrate the actual sales data into your analysis. Once again, you'll perform a quick table calculation on sales, choosing % difference to bring consistency across your sheets. Now return to your first sheet, select sales, and click filter. Make sure that include null values is unchecked. This crucial step ensures that null values do not clutter your calculations and visualizations. Apply the same filter settings on your second sheet. Finally, check your third sheet. You should now see a column reflecting the absence of values where nulls would have previously appeared, confirming your filters are working correctly. By doing this, you ensure your data remains clean and accurate, which is key to effective year-over-year growth analysis in Tableau. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy analyzing!